One of my subscribers in my Discord recently brought my attention to this channel called Extinct Zoo. They've got 1 million subscribers with just around 100 videos. And if you take a closer look at the channel, their videos are consistently pulling in millions of views, while all they do is upload unusual and weird facts about extinct animals. And guess what? The channel creator earns up to $25,000 per month. So today, I'm revealing the groundbreaking strategy to dominate this niche using the free CapCut AI video maker. I'm going to show you the entire blueprint of creating your own faceless YouTube channel like these. From creating an entire video with voiceover and scenes, to creating a viral channel name, and even click-worthy thumbnails like these. All you need are pro-level prompts, which I've already created and am giving you guys for free. So watch this video till the end before it gets saturated. Welcome to AI Upskill. To give you a glimpse of what we're going to be creating in this video, check out this short preview I created that barely took 5 minutes.
This is the scariest monster that ever lived after the dinosaurs. Most people think that when the dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago, it was the end of scary creatures. But they're wrong. Very wrong. This is the giant terror bird. It had a massive beak and was over 7 feet tall. But in North America, there was something even scarier. This is the Glyptodon. It looked like a giant turtle, but it was more like a tank. It had a thick shell and was the size of a Volkswagen Beetle. And it would literally run over anything in its path. So which one is scarier, a giant bird or a giant turtle? You decide in the comments.
Alright, the important step is to come up with ideas for these videos. You can check out some of the topics that these channels are creating. So to make things easier, I've created a Google document with every single prompt that I'll be using in this video. It makes the whole process super easy. You'll find it in my Discord's video prompts channel. I'll leave the link to the Discord server in the description below, and don't worry, you don't need to pay anything to access it. Simply copy the full prompt and paste it into ChatGPT or any other text generator model you prefer. Just remove this line and specify the number of video ideas you want to generate. I'll go with 10. Then just hit enter and wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. And as you can see, it has generated ideas that match the exact style and tone, like Extinct Zoo. So go through them and select the one you like. If you're not satisfied with the generated video ideas, simply hit regenerate on the same prompt and you'll instantly get new ideas. This video idea is important as it will be used by an AI tool to automatically create the script, voiceover, and visuals in the next step. Now I'll go to the easiest part, creating the video using just one free AI tool. So the tool is CapCut AI Video Maker. You can download it using the link given in the description. The installation is easy. Simply follow the steps given in the setup. Once you've signed up, head over to the AI Video Maker feature. But really quick, if you're finding this helpful so far, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I cover AI niches like this every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Click on Instant AI Video and select the Generate Script option. Begin by pasting the video idea you picked from ChatGPT. Next, choose a voiceover from here. It has a wide range of options. I particularly like Good Guy voice, as it matches with the vibe of our niche. Next, you can choose the duration of the video. Ideally, the channel we're replicating creates long videos, typically averaging around 10 to 20 minutes. Therefore, I'd recommend you all to choose 10 minutes from here. But as for this demonstration, I'll choose 3 minutes only. Then select a video style from above. For this kind of video, you can select from these 3 video styles: realistic film, movie, or photograph. Next, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. Then simply click Create, and CapCut AI will generate the script, scenes, and visuals accordingly. Here is the result. See how perfectly it has generated several scenes from just a video idea. You can even rearrange your scenes by dragging and dropping them where you want. Additionally, I've noticed that the channel that we're replicating uses dark and old scenes when narrating about history. So we'll do the same. Start by exploring your script and finding the scene where the narrator is talking about history, just like this one. Simply click the Replace button from here. Choose the B&W graphic style and click Generate, and within seconds you'll get historic and dark vibe scenes. Just select the one you like. Our video is now 80% complete. I say 80% because while we have the script and the scenes generated, we still need to add elements and music, which can also be done right here in seconds. Let's start with elements. The first thing we'll do is remove the auto-generated captions, as the channel we're modeling doesn't use them either. Next, click on this Settings button. You can select which of these elements you want in your video. For this niche, I only need the sound effect and effects, so set it to medium intensity, and it will be added to your video in no time. Next, we'll add a background music. You can select from a wide range of options. I'll go with this one. So once everything is set, simply export your video. Here's how it looks.
500 million years ago, long before the reign of sharks began, the world oceans were dominated by some of the most bizarre and terrifying creatures that have ever existed. The oceans were ruled by three very different types of animals. The first were the jawless fish. They were small, slimy, and completely toothless. But even more terrifying than these alien fish were the Eurypterids, also known as sea scorpions. Despite their name, these creatures weren't actually related to scorpions or spiders. Some species grew to be over 3 feet wide, but by far the strangest of the three were the Anomalocaris. These bizarre fish had huge claws that looked like the tentacles of an octopus and a mouth full of sharp, and their size and strength cannot be overstated. Anomalocaris were the apex predators of their time, but after 100 million years of dominating the seas, their reign of terror came to an end. So why did these monsters suddenly disappear? Well, some scientists think that the Anomalocaris were wiped out by a mass extinction event. Perhaps you've heard of it, the Great Dying, which occurred 252 million years ago, killing off 90% of all marine species. So it seems that they may have survived the Great Dying, but were wiped out by something else. We just don't know. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.
This was pretty amazing. Alright, now we need a cool channel name. Because for Faceless YouTube videos, your channel name is your personality. And instead of sitting for hours trying to come up with one, we'll use ChatGPT. I've created another prompt that will simplify this process. Again, go to the Google Doc I mentioned and look for the second prompt. Simply copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT. And in seconds, ChatGPT does what would take you hours. Just scroll through and pick one that feels right. That took literally less than 30 seconds. So now the final step is to create a thumbnail for the video. Normally you could take a frame from your existing video and add on some text. But you'd only get those initial clicks if you create something weird and bizarre thumbnails like these, which are impossible to ignore. So I've once again made this process easy for you all by creating another prompt. Go to the Google Doc, copy this last prompt and paste it into any image generator tool. Just remove this line and add the title you used to create the entire video. Lastly, hit generate, and boom, it has generated a weird thumbnail matching with your video, all thanks to my pro-level prompt. It's not too complicated. Here are a few thumbnails I created using the exact same prompts. And that's the full process, from idea to income, all using just CapCut. If you've made it this far, I've got a bonus for you. Check out the pinned comment. I've shared some tips to help you get your videos viral as soon as possible. And hey, if you found this helpful, do these quick things for me. Smash that like and subscribe button for more YouTube automation goldmine ideas like this. And most importantly, head to the Discord and grab the free Google Doc with all my prompts. No fluff, just copy, paste, and profit. And I'll see you in the next one.